Hello, welcome to my channel, Brandy Vision. Starting tonight's Reiki session with this brand new, beautiful chakra infused lavender white sage bundle. We'll be starting with the smudge to cleanse out the outer layer. Today's Reiki session is a tune-up for the cold weather and a tune-up for the end of the year so we can finish off and get the last minute things we need to do done. I'm going to be taking this feather now and focusing more on your crown. And your third eye. Your throat. And your heart. Finishing with that heart. Really cleansing out that root chakra. Okay. Moving on with our session. We have a new rain stick. With bamboo wood. And a beautiful sound of rain. Go ahead and close your eyes now. As we go around your body. Just going to finish our sound cleanse. Moving on to the Reiki part of the session, I'll be taking my favorite homemade aura cleanser spray. I'm going to be spraying this on my hands. I'm going to start by scanning you at this time. See what area of the body is calling for most attention. It could be a body part or it could be a chakra point. I'm just going to intuitively feel where we need to send the Reiki. Okay. Let us begin. Onto your forehead, by your eyebrows, sending Reiki at this time. Close your eyes for me. Going right over your eyelids. Now going right underneath your chin. Sending Reiki up to your ear. Now to the back of your head. Going down your body and your shoulders. Being called to your back at this time. Right behind the heart, on your back. Behind your lungs, giving them extra support. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Going along your back once more, down your spine. Now into the middle of your back. Take a deep breath. And exhale. I'm going to move my hands to the sides of you now. They scan. You're feeling Reiki up and down your rib cage. Now I'm going to be putting my hands on your solar plexus, so right on your stomach. For healing and love, gentle. The Reiki is overflowing love and healing light white energy. Moving on down to the sides of your hips. I'm going to be sending Reiki into your root chakra as it holds you and anchors you in to the spot that you're at right now. Connecting you to earth, connecting you to your body. Going down your legs. Be sending Reiki to the palms of your feet at this time. Up the right side of your body, down the left, up the left, and down the right. Both feet, sending the Reiki energy up, straight up your chakras, all the way up through your root, pulling it up through your sacral. Expanding the Reiki energy through your solar plexus. Expanding the Reiki energy up to your heart. Expanding the Reiki energy up to your throat. Expanding the Reiki energy up to your third eye. Expanding that Reiki energy out your crown. Up to the heavens, to where we get our light source each and every day. Smoothing down your energy now. I'm going to be taking my selenite chakra stone. Finishing up our session by cleansing and closing up your chakras on my way out. Any extra speck may be ignited and influenced by each one of these stones accordingly. Closing up your root. Closing up your sacral. Closing up your solar plexus. Closing up your heart. Closing up your throat. Closing up your third eye. Closing up your crown. There you are. And best of luck. Thank you for watching.